Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you this Curt brand sway bar that I purchased for to install on my trailer. The trailer is a 16-foot enclosed trailer, but when I'm on the interstate, a lot of the big trucks, when they go by, it pushes this truck and trailer over. So I installed this. Couple things I wanted to tell you. When you measure from length to length, it's 24 inches from this location. Right there is actually my old mark to the ball right there. So make sure that's 24 inches. And then you're going to install this piece here with the screws that comes with the kit. It also has a plate that I did not use. You don't have to use that. So I just installed the 4 screws. So each time I do go on the highway with this, I do check to make sure this is not twisted. But if I do see it twisted or the screws pulling out, I will probably get this welded. So this does help on the highway pretty much. This bar here, you just have to tighten this up, make sure it's tight but not too tight, because you want it to move a little bit. And there's an adjusting screw at the bottom. So it took me about 3 times to do some testing on the tightness. I like it. This cost me $43 before shipping, and I got it at eTrailer.com, and this is it. So I really like it. So I'll just back up a little bit so you can see the truck and trailer. Also, make sure that when you're pulling your trailer that you have all the weight in your trailer when you're testing. Make sure it's whatever you're pulling the weight inside. Make sure it's 15% weight on the tongue, so it's nice and drivable. So all right, thank you.